What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to display your frame rate, memory usage and Unreal object count in the main editor UI. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After launching Unreal Engine, navigate to Edit and select Editor Preferences. On this window, select Performance in your General Settings tab. Under Editor Performance, you have the option to enable the Show Frame Rate and Memory option. This will simply display your current frame rate, random access memory usage, and object count on the top right of your main editor UI. This can be very useful when troubleshooting performance issues or simply optimizing your project for the best user experience on low-end devices. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.